Hey everybody, it's your girl Lady T, and this is an unusual video because I'm going to be making lasagna. Haven't made lasagna in about 5 years, but my husband been asking for it, so I'm going to go ahead and make it for him. So here you go. This is ground beef. I got this from Amazon online. I never got it before, but it's my first time getting it. So I'm trying this ground beef, and then you're going to see me putting seasonings in it. And I can't stand long, so I will be sitting down in a few minutes. However, right now I'm just putting some good old salt and pepper in there. And I'm going to put some more seasoning in it because I don't like my lasagna to taste like spaghetti sauce. Okay. So, there's a little bit more seasoning in there, and then it's going to be cooking. Now, this video is about 7 minutes. And if you think your girl going to be talking for 7 minutes, you got it all wrong. But I'm just trying to talk to you a little preliminarily. You know what I'm saying, just at the beginning. There's my noodles, which is self-explanatory. I put 4 in a big pot at one time, and I let them cook al dente. Not all the way through because they still got to cook in the oven. You heard? There's my glass lasagna pan. And I'm steady cooking up this hamburger meat, girl. I guess it's hamburger meat. You don't even know nowadays what you're eating. But I'm hoping it's a hamburger meat. Now I got to change the camera angle for y'all and sit down in my wheelchair because, baby, a girl is out of breath. Now, there's my al dente noodles. And I have put 4 more in there. And now those are done. And I have 4 more in the pot. So I only did 12 noodles because it's just me and my husband. So it's only 3 layers. Now I'm trying to be opening up my spaghetti jar, my spaghetti sauce jar. And I didn't have my spinach this morning, so I was a little weak, but I got it open, okay? So there's my spaghetti sauce in the pan. Looking pretty good so far, boo. And I was trying to hold the camera this time with my hand while I was trying to stir up the stuff. And it was a little dry, so you know how to put some more liquid in there, some more spaghetti sauce in there, because we don't like dry. We don't like dry sauce now. You know what I mean? So, here we go. I got to season it up again because it was tasting a little bit too much like spaghetti sauce. I don't play that. It's supposed to be lasagna, not spaghetti. Now, that's the seasoning that my husband got from one of his friends from YouTube. One of his YouTube friends. He sells spices. Don't ask me what it is because I don't know. But I use it. It tastes pretty good. So, here I am now making the sauce with the ricotta. And it's called for 4 eggs, but I only used 3 because I didn't have 4 cups of ricotta. But I used what I had, honey. You got to make it work. And that's what I did. I made it work. So that's the ricotta. Mixing it up with the egg. We getting it done. We getting it done. So, I could have left this part out, but I just wanted to show y'all because Teresa don't cook. Okay? Lady T does not cook. But she getting it in right now. Mix it up real good. Now you put the hamburger meat down at the bottom of the pan. Those of you who know how to cook lasagna, I don't even have to tell you this because you already know what to do. So I'm putting the lasagna down in the pan, the meat. Now I'm putting the al dente noodles down there. Do y'all know that they have noodles that you don't even have to boil? You can put them in right in there like that, and they'll cook inside the thing. I've tried it before. They actually work. But I couldn't find them online, so I just did what I did. So that's the egg and ricotta mixture right there. I didn't have any parsley to put in there, so I used what I had and kept it moving. And it's nice and creamy, y'all. It looks real good. Now we're putting in this cheese. Yeah, my husband picked out this cheese. That's what he wanted. The sharp cheese. I think he might go in shock today because I actually cook. Because, you know, I don't cook. And now I'm putting in some mozzarella. Mozzarella. What's an Italian dish if you don't have mozzarella? All right. So here's my second layer of meat. And it's looking good, y'all. I said it's looking good. Go ahead, mash it on up in there, girl. Get it. Put that second layer of al dente noodles on there, honey. Yes, ma'am. And it's looking, what? Scrumptious. So, Of course, layers, baby. Layers. You got to do layers. You know what I'm saying. Get them layers in. Get those layers in. So, there we go again, boo. There we go again. I might have messed up a bit. I don't know what I was doing. No, I did it right. It's going to be good, okay? It's going to be good. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Just look at that. Ooh. Lady T, girl, you was working it out. Girl, and the aides, they done came in. They lusting over that lasagna. They want some. That's my cheese, girl. You got to pack that cheese in there, because what's lasagna without cheese, boo? That's that sharp cheddar, though. Mm-hmm. Yep. And there's that mozzarella. Get that mozzarella in there, honey. Mm-hmm. Now putting that last layer of al dente noodles in there. Lasagne. That's how it's spelled. But it's lasagna. Put that last little bit of ricotta and egg mixture up in there. Yes, honey. Girl, it looks good enough to eat. And that's why I made it, right? To eat it. So, y'all better write this down, because I don't know when the next time I'm cooking. I don't know when the next time I'm cooking, because I don't even know. So, okay. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Putting that sauce on there. Let me tell y'all a little secret, though. I had to add some more sauce without meat because I was running out. So that's the top layer. It doesn't matter because the meat's all through and through. Yes. So now we got the cheese. What? The cheddar and the mozzarella. And look at that. Don't that look good? Y'all know y'all what's up. Stop playing. You know you what's up. And there's my man. That's the one that requested it. He said that his shit looking all happy. Bam. And there it is. And there you have it. Lasagna. By Lady T. What you think? Thanks for watching.